Hello, Chef here. Quick apple garnish for you. Half apple. Remove the core. One cut. Standing apple. Cut number 2. Cut 3. Cut 4. Another apple piece, cut like this, flat bottom, thanks for watching. Score the tools at your sponsor right there. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Oh, don't forget to click that little subscribe. Thumbs up. Yeah. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.